Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Big Bottle Showdown. I have two empties. I finished Darkness last month, right before the end of January. And then I just finished Grace a couple days ago. So I didn't have a chance to do my video until today, so I have those finished. I'm still working on, what are you? Sunflowers by Elizabeth Arden. I used it a couple times, but not anything spectacular to mark a bottle, so I did use it. I used the Basame Waterfall Mist a couple times, since this is such an odd bottle. I'm down to there on it, so about halfway. It's alright. Not my favorite, but I do like wearing it, so I'll continue working on those two. And what I'm rolling in is this, I'm rolling in two body sprays from Zany Laney. This one is Born Leader. It is strawberry, pineapple, eucalyptus, and lemongrass. And it's based on Maggie from The Walking Dead. And the last one is Don't Blow Away. This is almond macaroons, chocolate covered cherries. And this is based on a movie. I'm not sure what the name of it, but it has Kate Winslet in it, and the two main female leads switch places. So I don't know. I don't know what the name of the movie is, but it's a Christmas movie. That's all I know. If I remember, well, when editing, I'll put it on the screen. But anyway, you can't get those Zany Laney sprays anyway because her shop is closed. So, and that's kind of sad. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you'd like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.